Welcome back, guys. So let's clear the big elephant in the room first. We're not at the airport. I know in the last video I said that we'd be leaving towards the Philippines, but we're actually stuck in the room. And yeah, so why is that? Why is that, Nathan?
Because our flight got cancelled.
So we got to the airport, and then first of all he said the flight was delayed by an hour and a half, and we thought, well, that's alright, we're just going to get something to eat. And then, let me see it. Yeah, that's it. And then we thought, yeah, that's all right, happy days, we're just going to browse the shops, you know, as you do. And then we got to get to the counter to check in, and that's all doom and gloom. Our flight was delayed due to a problem with the plane or something to 7:30, so that was already like a massive delay by 8 hours. And everyone was kicking off in the queue, and oh my god, it was like all hell broke loose. And 5 minutes later, to make matters even worse, she had sort of an injury. It's not 7:30 anymore, it's 8:30 in the morning. So it's about 10 hours, it got delayed by 10 hours. So they put us up in a hotel overnight, and we're going to miss our connecting flight tomorrow, and our transfer to El Nido. So it's a big mess, like, thanks AirAsia for that. So we've got to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so that leaves us for about 4 hours. So we'll probably be spending that in sending emails and trying to reschedule everything that we had sorted for.
So everything I booked, I need to rearrange again.
Basically, yeah. So yeah, again, thanks AirAsia. I suppose it's the joys of travelling, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't know what's going to happen every day, do you?
No, you don't. Especially today, we didn't know that was going to happen.
Exactly.
But yeah, so we're probably going to head to bed in a little while, hopefully in a little while, and we'll see you in the morning, guys. Morning.
Morning.
So welcome back. So 3 hours later, we're back at the airport.
With food in our bellies.
Yeah, we just stopped for breakfast because, oh my god, the breakfast we had at the hotel was appalling.
Absolutely appalling.
Rice and green beans.
Yeah,
lovely.
I wasn't expecting that this morning.
So now we're waiting on our flight to Manila, and then Manila to Puerto Princesa, which will then take our transfer to El Nido. We're not too sure yet what's going to happen with our transfer, because obviously the flight has been delayed by 10 hours, so we don't really know what to expect yet. So we'll find out a bit later.
Hoping on the best, really.
And then, so I don't know if we've explained yet, but what we'll do, we'll stay in El Nido for a week. After that, we'll be heading out to Boracay for another week. So we can't wait, really excited, even though we're a bit tired.
Hopefully that one will go to plan.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. And this, guys, is the elusive plane. There it is. So guys, we just landed in Manila, and now we're in a bit of a rush because we've got literally an hour to pick up our luggage, to go back and check in, to go through security and catch our plane. So because of the kerfuffle last night with AirAsia, that's put us in that situation. So fingers crossed, we're going to run through the immigration, and look at him over there. We're going to go through immigration and get our connection flight to Puerto Princesa.
So guys, as you can see, we've had a bit of a trouble day today.
Stressful.
Very stressful. Like, it's just one of those days where we thought one day it will happen, and it just had to be today.
We were actually considering whether to record or not and say, you know, we arrived in El Nido, everything was fine, but we thought it's not the truth really.
No.
So we want to be genuine and tell you exactly
how it's been,
you know, the truth, what happened.
So from this morning when we woke up at our hotel that we got put in last night,
then after that we got to the airport. AirAsia obviously messed up the whole thing, and we missed our connections. 2 flights when we actually was really naughty. At the check-in, we pretended that we had our boarding passes, went through security, got to the gate, they were literally shutting the plane. We still had luggage, we didn't even check in the luggage. We took the luggage, our big luggage, on board of the airplane. We got shouted at.
We got a bit frustrated.
We did, it's been such a long day. But now, The little trick though is there's a 6-hour drive to El Nido. Yes, you heard this.
And
6-hour
that's a shared
drive.
van as well.
It's not anything to do with the Philippines. It's just
No.
our situation with the whole AirAsia and the fact that we missed the flights and the food in between.
It just chucked us off.
So we thought we're going to be really negative in this little 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then everything will be fine tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is a new day, like I keep telling them.
But we wanted
day,
to moan, and we thought we were going to grab the camera and we're going to give it all
I
to it.
thought to grab the camera because I had Grumpy Bum over here and I was like, I've got to record it.
So now we're going to obviously head out to our hotel.
Yeah.
We're going to rest for the night,
Yeah.
and then we'll pick it up tomorrow, guys.
Yeah.
And
A new
I
day.
promise you we'll be in a better mood. So we're going to leave you there, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Morning, everyone.
Morning.
So all negativity from yesterday has been washed away by a lovely night of sleep.
And food. We had breakfast
food as
this
well.
morning.
So welcome to El Nido, guys.
Yeah.
It's been a long travel to El Nido, but we're finally here, and today we managed to organise everything that we wanted to do for the next 6 days, didn't we?
We have indeed.
And we got booking and researching and everything. So today, obviously what's left of today actually, because it's about 1:30, 2 o'clock now.
1:30.
So we're going to take you to a beach that's meant to be really, really nice, but not too crowded, because if you've been to El Nido before, you know the beaches right inland are very, very crowded. So you guys definitely have to come to this beach.
We recommend it highly.
It's about 5-10 minutes away from El Nido, so if you take one of those tricycles, it only costs us 120 pesos, and yeah, it's absolutely stunning.
The
and
water's lovely and warm.
It's the warmest I've ever been in any ocean. Even the Maldives, Thailand is nowhere near as hot as this. So the name of this beach is called Las Cabanas, and the one that's connected to it is Mari Meg Meg. That's the one, Mari Meg Meg. Yeah, highly recommended, guys. What a better way to end the day than a view like this. It's been absolutely amazing. This beach is just gorgeous. I don't actually know why it's so quiet. It should be crowded, because in my books it's a 10 out of 10 beach. But yeah, we decided to come here for a little bite before we head back to the hotel.
Because I'm starving. I am starving.
Nathan is absolutely starving.
Yeah.
I don't know why, you've done nothing all day. So I think we're just going to end the vlog here, guys. So make sure you do subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when we release a new video, and also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. But until then, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.
It's free to use but not free to lose.
Okay.